Hi everyone, today I want to show you how I organize my medicine cabinet and the cabinet that is underneath the sink. I had a mess. I wanted to reorganize everything, so I was trying to measure the amount of space that it would take for the organizers. I went to Dollar Tree. I got a few other organizers, clear organizers, and they are beautiful. I love them. They're just clear plastic, and the ones that I had that I didn't like that much, I ended up putting a little bit of fabric and used them to store under the sink. So that was a project in itself. I wanted to do a little bit of sewing and put elastic, but my sewing machine wasn't working, so I ended up just gluing them. You know, just as best as I could, but I think it looks really nice. It organized everything. It made everything so much easier to find. I could even fit more stuff under the sink. I organized the laundry stuff that I had in another area. I made it fit into the cabinet under the sink, which is something that I really wanted to do. So anyways, it seems like I can never finish this, but I will continue to show you the progress that I have in the bathroom in the next video. But if you want to see how I organize the medicine cabinet, the organizers that I use that are very affordable, and a little bit of the DIY for the ones that I didn't like how they look, then please keep watching. Okay, so project organizing, as you can see right there, I grab everything that was there and put it pretty much everywhere, because I also emptied the bottom shelves down here, and so I have an array of products all over the place. So let's get this organized. I made these, they're still drying, but they are the plastic containers that I had last night over there. I bought a little bit of fabric. I was going to make them with an elastic inside, but my sewing machine doesn't want to work, so I ended up gluing it in, which is not the best job that I've ever done, but that will hold it, and you know, it doesn't have to look pretty inside. I'm just going to put stuff in this, and they're gonna go in that area right there. So before I put everything in here, I want to use this liner. I don't know if this design is the best one, but if I don't like it, I can always turn around and make it white. That's what I was thinking. So I'm gonna cut it through this line right here, and then I'm gonna make it fit in the back. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I got one of these black rings and put it here instead of the other one, because the other one was too busy for the design that I decided to put over here. So let me show you. Now it looks much better in my opinion with the design, the black and white design of the other one. I just didn't like it enough. Okay, so I ended up lining the bottom here with the black one, as I show you, and in the little baskets that I made today, they're gonna be so much easier to use now that they're all organized in baskets. This one I put pads and flushable wipes. Let's see, right there, and then it fits and it kind of snuggles this, which is the poopery, and it's something that we keep outside when we're parked. The hand wash and the sanitizer, the hand sanitizer. So when we are driving, as you can see right here, I'm going to put that there, this here, and this one right here. So the tighter that this is, the better, because it means that it's not going to move, as you can see. And then on this other one, which is the same basket, I put my, the bug repellent, the Equate sunscreen, liquid stitch. Sometimes I need to fix something. My sewing kit that is here inside this first aid thing. Put everything that I need. And then here I have scissors. I also have nail clippers, you know, stuff like that for the nails. So I'll put it like this. I have to keep the taller things in the outside, so the shorter stuff goes there. And then I have some extra room here for stuff when we're traveling that goes up here in the sink, and I'll show you in just a minute. And then I'm going to have to do the same as I did with this ones. Remember that they look like this? I'm gonna have to do the same because look, I mean, it fits two more over there. And again, the tighter that this is, the better. So there I can store the shower cap. And I'm gonna show you what I'm planning to do. The shower cap over there. And then I'm gonna put the, hold on, let me go get it. The loofah thing. I'm gonna keep it in this other one for now. So those two things are the ones that are gonna be used in the shower. So I know it's not too much light, but let me show you what's underneath. I put the garbage can over here, which is a small one. I put the Snuggle air freshener by Airquick. I have this, which is the fabric softener. I have bleach. I have the laundry detergent. And here in the back, I have this sheets to reduce static. So when we are going to do laundry, we have everything that we need right there. And it's using the same basket as I showed you. The same ones. This one, I made 3 of them, and that one is down there. So it fits everything perfectly. And again, even here, there's going to be something going there. It's going to be organized, so we'll be able to see where everything is. Just pick the stuff that I need from each one of these bins, and even pull them out if I need to, as if they were drawers. But in here, I can fit some other stuff, and you know, just kind of make it, I don't know, tight, but I'll snuggle a little bit more, or a little bit more tight, so there's not much kind of moving around while we're driving. Now this is in the centers, the pipe, so it kind of makes this room extra tight, but I'm sure we'll find something. So now we're going to move on to here, and I kind of organized this one already this morning. And I'll show you what these are, but they're Dollar Tree finds. And in this one, I put the BioFreeze. So if somebody has some kind of muscle pain or something, I have that. I have these for bleed control, just in case, you never know. Burn relief, triple antibiotic, antiseptic towelettes, band-aids, and basic first aid stuff. And then here I have some ibuprofen, I have Tylenol, and I have a few of these cotton things just in case that we need them, and they fit perfectly up here. So I'm gonna try to find another one that I bought, put it up here, put another one there, and a couple here, and I'll show you how they look like. They're called Essentials. That's a brand. Organizer with lid. And I got 4 of them because that's how much I needed for the medicine cabinet, but I'll show you how I'm organizing everything. And yeah, this is a mess. I kind of pull everything out to try some organizers that I bought, and that they didn't work, so I'm gonna have to put everything in a different way. this is how it looks like. I always take the Luna with me to wash my face. I take a couple makeup removers that I'm trying to finish. And the back right there is the perfume that I usually take. Just a sample size. I have a couple deodorants right here. My toothbrush, my husband's toothbrush also goes here. I just put this so you can see how it fits. The flossing, the toothpaste, and my kids' toothbrushes. Over here I have hair stuff, hair ties, bobby pins, and some of the stuff that my daughter and I use after we take a shower. All the face SPF that we use. I am trying to finish that Alba Botanica one, and then I love the Chorus one, so of course I take that. And then here it's basically all the medicine and everything that we take. Now these two are empty, and that's okay, because when we travel we usually remember something and we'll have some extra room to store it. So yeah, that's it for that. Here I made a few changes from what I showed you like 2 minutes ago. I realized that I forgot to add this, which is where I have the wet wipes. So I moved this a little bit more over here, and then I moved the stuff that I put over here, which is the hand soap, the potpourri, and the hand sanitizer. I put it in the middle. The rest stayed the same. This has the same things, and this one's too. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to use the fabric so they all match down here. I'm excited because now it doesn't close. Alright, so you saw it here first. This is what happens. So I do need this to be empty, and it's not going to make any noises or anything because the toilet paper, it's going to be there. Well, this is what happens. So I'm gonna put this over here. Since these bins are not the same thick as the cabinet, I am going to set them here. So the stuff that I had initially in this corner that then I moved here, I will keep it down here. And again, it's not like they're in the way, because on the back I just have some laundry stuff, so I don't use this stuff every day. Sometimes I don't use it in the trips that we take, and then when we move full time, that means that we're going to get bigger sizes and then keep it in the basement or the storage area, and then refill these things, so that way we have just a little bit. But if we need to purchase a bigger size, we'll always have it stored in the basement of the home area. So yep, what are you gonna do? This is real life organizing. How can I not remember that I need the toilet paper there? Anyways, who knows why.